to put on a show!
Wow! Amazing!
Yahoo!
Oh, hello.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Hello, cutie pie.
Here I go! Hello, egg boys. Any doors yet? Too much for couch potato egg boys like yourself. Yahoo!
Here we go! Wow! Amazing!
Yay!
Here we go!
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump clubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Oh! Hello!
Wow! Congratulations! Yay!
Oh, hello, chump. Now you're jumping, clubby, just like I like. Hey, what happened?
Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz?
Yahoo!
Uh-oh. It's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone.
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Hooray! Mark? Hey, what happened?
I got an idea!
Nicer! Okay, let's go!
Haha, you're a great team. Oh, yeah.
Hey, it's me, Goku.
Okay. Nicer!
What a beautiful chump. Come here. I have a
Very good.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Wow! Amazing! Come on!
Beautiful, lady.
Wow! Congratulations!
Right. Too easy. Piece of cake.
Respond to a 1017 in South.
Come on, man.
Yes, you. I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Bror, niemand boeit.
Aha!
Oh, yeah.
Let's go!
Hooray! Question mark? Thanks, Pally.
going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time. Oh, hello! Wow, amazing!
Bror, niemand boeit.
It's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone. Haha, you're a great team.
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Nicer, nicer.
Wow! Congratulations!
Hey, what happened?
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. Why did you not tell me that Rod and my sister? We're not friends anymore? Yes, you. I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her. Haha, you're a great team.
Uh-oh. Come on!
piece of cake.
I like that.
Let's go, let's go.
Goody, he's here.
Okay, let's go!
Stupid boy. You have the guts to face me, huh? But you're
Bye.
Here I go! Come on, step it up!
Wow! Congratulations!
I like that.
Whoa, amazing! Bror, niemand boeit!
Oh, yeah. You tell me, sweet little boy.
Hey, what happened?
Uh-oh.
Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz?
Nicer!
You're a great team. Oh, yeah!
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here, I have a gift for you. That's right.
Aha!
Oh, hello, chubby boy.
Okay, let's go!
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Come on!
You're a great team.
Nicer!
Oh, yeah!
Bye.
Okay, let's go!
Yes, you. I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Okay.
Right.
Get in here, you little... Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nicer!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
I am ready to put on a show!
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here, I have a gift for you. That's right. Come a little.
Here we go. Whoa, amazing.
Hello!
Liz, I think you're confused, boy.
Do not count on me. I don't want to go back to that van in a million years.
Nani?
We're in trouble now.
Hey, what happened?
Hello!
Good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge!
managed to jump at one of the stops.
Are you alright?
ドリドリドリドリ。
Okay.
Oh, yes!
Okay, let's go!
Haha, you're a great team.
Here we go!
Go, go, go!
Bye, have a great time.
Yeah, let's go.
Wow! Congratulations!
Whoa! Amazing!
Okay.
Let's go!
Go, go, go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye-bye.
Go, go, go! No.
Uh-oh.
Wow!
Oh, yes!
Okay, let's go!
Bye.
Wow! Congratulations!
Yahoo!
Haha, you're a great team. Oh, yeah! Very good. Open up and say, perfect landing. Oh, hello, Chuckboard. Now you're jumping, clubbing just like I like it.
Hooray! Question mark?
Bror, niemand boeit!
Right. Let's go, girls. Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Okay, okay. Come on, man! Bror, niemand boeit!
Yes, you. I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Eisen, Eisen!
I like that. You little rat.
Bye.
Hooray! Question mark?
Eisen, Eisen! Okay, let's go!
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have a gift. Where's your mom? Just like to try some of my delicious ice cream.
Bye, have a great time.
We're in trouble now.
Oh, hello. Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
I got an idea. Here we go.
Thanks, Pally.
Okay.
Here I go. Here we go. Bye, have a great time.
Aha!
I am ready to put on a show.
Hooray! Hooray!
Here I go.
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
I am ready to put on a show.
Hello.
Come on!
Mario's gonna be something illegal.
Say what? Here we go.
Yes.
Easy!
Nice.
Oh! Whoa!
Going to kill some kids today. Looking for the jump clubby ones. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Ho-ho!
Here I go.
Whoa! Amazing! Here we go!
Evacuate the building. Let's go.
Bye, have a great time.
Hello.
Let's go, let's go. I am ready to put on a show.
Hello, Ed boys. Many doors, yeah? Too much for couch potato Ed boys like yourself.
Hello, cutie pie.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Yahoo!
Here I go.
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump.
Yay!
Hey, hey, hey. Nope.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Go, go, go!
Okay, let's go!
Yay, yay!
Wow! Congratulations!
Thank you very much.
Whoa, amazing!
Yay, yay!
Okay, let's go! Bye, have a great time. Here we go!
Goodbye.
Dori 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 dori.
Whoa, amazing! Hey, what happened?
Good morning, good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
Oh, hello.
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How did you not tell me that Rod had my sister?
We're in trouble now.
Do not count on me. I don't want to go back to that van in a million years. Yes, in the end, I managed to jump at one of the stops.
I got an idea.
Okay, let's go!
Go, go, go!
Bye-bye.
You're a great team.
Dori 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 dori. Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
I am ready to put on a show.
Let's go!
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities.
Oh, what a beautiful chump. Come here. Bye.
Here we go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.